Hi everyone, I am Shubham Garg and welcome back to this lecture series of Java. So in today's lecture, we are going to see how we make a program of bubble sort. All right. So bubble sort is basically one of the sorting techniques. Let's say, for example, you have a list in unsorted order. Okay, then you can use this technique to sort the list in ascending or descending order. All right. So we will see how the bubble sort actually works. Let's say you have an array of elements. Like in the previous video, we initialized an array. Okay, so for example, we are having an array, say 5, 25, minus 4, 8, 55, 2. Okay, let's say we have this array. So basically, when this is an array, all the elements are available like this. They are stored in the array like this, that is 5, 25, minus 4, 8, 55 and 2. All right. So basically there are the positions of an array, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, that is there are 5 positions of an array. All right, that is 5 elements. This is the memory space, and basically the what we need to remember is the starting memory, starting element and the ending element for the unsorted partition of the array. All right, so this is the starting, that is 0, and this is the ending. Okay, start and end. All right, so from here, let's say we are defining the memory using a variable I. So this will be I is equal to 0 position, and this is going to I is equal to 5. All right, so now let's see how do we sort the list using bubble sort. So okay, let me just copy the list. It is 5, 25, minus 4, 8, 55 and 2. Okay, so these are our elements. So what happens in bubble sort, in every pass, that is every time we are trying to sort, the first unsorted element is going to compare itself with the adjacent element. Okay, for example, here 5 will see that if this is less than 25, okay, it is going to see if 5 is less than 25. So as 5 is less than 25, this condition is true. All right, this is true, hence there will be no change because they are in correct order. Similarly, if there was a number smaller than 5, then it would have swapped that number. All right, so since this 5 is less than 25, it is true, it is going to move to other two elements. So now what is going to happen, it is going to compare 25 with 4. All right, so since 25 is not less than minus 4, okay, sorry, minus 4, it is minus 4. So since minus 4 is less, so thus it is going to swap, that is it is going to swap minus 4 and 25. All right, so our new array will become 5, minus 4, 25, 8, 55 and 2. All right, so this is how basically every element swap itself. So here that was I is equal to 0 when I was 0. So it compares 0 element with the first element. Here I is equal to 1. That is the pass where I is equal to 1. Okay, so now it is not going to compare these two again. That will be in the second pass. Okay, this is the first pass we are going. So it is going to compare after 25. So it is going to see 25 is less than 8 or not. Okay, so 25 is less than 8, hence it is true. So it is going to swap. All right, so new array becomes, this is the second, I is equal to 2, Okay, this becomes 8, 25, 55 and 2. Alright. So now it is going to see if 25 is less than 55, this thing is true, so there will be no swapping here. Then it is going to see if 55 is less than 2. Alright. So that is 55 is, if 55 is less than 2, okay, so this is false, hence there will be swapping here. So 2 will come here and 55 will go here. So our new array will become like this. Alright. So after that, since we have reached the last element, okay, that is we have swapped this element as well. So now for next pass, it is going to again start from the 0th element. Okay, so it is going to compare 5 and minus 4. So minus 4 is less than 5, so it is going to swap it. So minus 4, 5, 8, 25, 2 and 55. Alright. Now it will see minus 4 is less than 5, this is true, 5 is less than 8, it is true. Okay, it is less than 25, it is true. So here it is going to swap 25 and 2. So now 2 is less than 25, so it will come here and 55 will be here. Alright. Now after that, again it is going to see, it is going to check 25 is less than 55, that is true. So now it is again going to start from minus 4. So minus 4 is less than 5, it's true, 5 is less than 8, it is true, 8 is greater than 2. So it is going to swap here, that is 2 comes here, okay, and all the elements are like this. Now after that, again it is going to see 8 is less than 25, this holds true, 25 is less than 55, this holds true. So now what is going to happen, it is going to again start from the 0th element. So minus 4 is less than 5, true, 5 less than 2, it's not true. So it is going to swap these elements. Alright. So here we have our final array, that is minus 4, 2, 5, 8, 25 and 55. Alright. So we can see here all the elements are in a sorted manner, that is minus 4, then 2, then 5, then 8, then 25 and then 55. So this is how you swap the elements using bubble sort, and you sort the list of an array using bubble sort technique. Alright. So we have seen how the bubble sort and swapping actually works. So in the next lecture, we are going to see how to make a program, how to write a program for this. Alright. So yeah, some important point that the bubble sort is having the time complexity of O(n) square. Alright. That is very bad time complexity. Okay, so it is not a very good algorithm for sorting. There are very high level algorithms as well. Okay, but for basics, it is necessary to understand bubble sort as well. So this is all for this video. See you in the next video.